Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can basically fix the Epic Games error code out of disk space before trying to install a game. So what you're going to first do is you're going to simply open up Epic Games Launcher, and so basically all you need to do is just simply remove any extra games that you have that you don't play anymore, so you can free up some space. And you can simply do that by, for example, if I wanted to download a new game and I do not play Fortnite anymore, I'm going to go to store, or I can go to library instead. I'm going to go to the games that I have downloaded. I'm going to simply hit the three horizontal dots and I'm going to simply hit install. And you can also see how big the games are. So if I needed 2 gigabytes to install, I know that if I delete Balloons TD, it's going to give me 1.42 extra. And then I can also delete Fortnite and that will give me an extra 6 gigabytes. You can always go to settings and then go to storage to see if you have, let's just go to storage, and then you can always see what other things that you have that you don't really need, so documents, temporary files that you can know just what to delete and stuff. So basically that is the only fix to this. So just free up some space by deleting games that you don't really use anymore, or deleting files that you know that are useless. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and have a nice day.